What's up? I'm Troubleshoot. The Minecraft movie is coming out super soon, and Minecraft have now started an event which you can do for the next 12 days at the time of uploading this, where you can earn yourself a cape. Unfortunately, you'll need to own Minecraft Bedrock in order to complete the quest that I'll show you in just a moment, and to earn and use this cape. But if you happen to get it, you'll also unlock it in Minecraft Java 2. So let's begin. This video was sponsored by Apex Hosting. If you're looking for a fantastic Minecraft server host, then look no further. Click the first link in the description down below for super low latency, DDoS protected servers with automated backups, fantastic customer support, and more. Check the coupon code in the top right. Currently it's Spring to Life for 30% off your first invoice. Click Get Started, configure your Minecraft, Java, Bedrock, or any other game for that matter server, choose Order Now, and you'll have your server set up in no time, ready for you and your friends to play on. A huge thank you to Apex Hosting for sponsoring this guide. Starting up Minecraft Bedrock, click the Play Movie event in the bottom left while the event is still active, and then choose Play Now. You'll then be connected to the realm where you can start earning progress. The server was down for a short while, now it's back up, so I guess they're having a few server issues, so things may change by the time you see this. Click Download and Join. This downloads the required DLC pack completely for free, and then you'll be dropped in no time. We get a little cutscene here saying the piglins are trying to take over, they need to stop it, and we need to start moving battle supplies, collect resources in the mines, and defend the village walls. You can upgrade gear in the secret stash, and we've got elite loot. So let's begin. Heading over to the right, we've got the walls where we had defense. Over there, I'm pretty sure is the forest, and just behind us is the mines. So let's start off, let's say, at the mines. You'll use these signs to find your way around. Heading all the way down here. Of course, scrolling across your hotbar, you've also got a map here. So outer walls, mines, wilderness. You can click to fast travel if you wish. Seems to take a bit longer than walking, but it plops you straight into whatever you're doing. So starting off in the wilderness, we've got to transport these battle supplies, and we need to defend the payload. TF too much, we'll get rewarded when we reach an outpost. Let's do it. You can find the payload just by looking for these markers, and of course, we've got other players here too that'll help us along the way. So let's do it. I'm pretty sure this thing will only move if players are close to it, but that shouldn't be an issue. So here we go, our first horde of enemies to fight. Clearing them out gives us XP. Piglins, followed by spiders, more pillagers, more piglins, piglet riders, another horde, and we eventually make it to the checkpoint. There we go, delivered, health, XP, things like that. Now we can hang around and do it once more. So again, it's traveling, one wave, spiders, another wave, here again. And along the map, you'll find these extra bonus emeralds sitting around that when touched, give you 50 to 100 extra emeralds and things like that. So there we go, following through all the way to the end, it just loops over and over again through the same path. So you can stick around for another lap if you wish to earn more, or you could just leave by opening the map and teleporting to a different place. Let's go to the mines. Here we found our way into the mines, and all I need to do is collect some resources, use elevators to get to different levels, look out for spawners and mobs, and use elevators to leave to get back to the village, and we have to leave alive, otherwise we'll lose everything. Keep in mind though, we do actually have a map that I'm pretty sure we can teleport with even while we're down in the mines. So let's start. I've only got a stone pickaxe to begin with, but moving down here to level 1, yep, map still works. We've got a couple icons to help us move around, I guess, a couple mobs to fight, and of course a couple of resources lying around the place, like here. Obviously we'll be fighting with other players to get these resources, so keep that in mind. And it seems like a couple of bosses. That's pretty spooky. So what do we get if we beat this thing? Probably a ton of XP. Yeah, 264, and we weren't even the ones to take it down, and we've unlocked new crafting recipes like diamond tools. Okay, would you look at that? 16 diamonds. Seems like there's quite a bit of reach. Things just go straight into your inventory, so mining is pretty easy. It's just a matter of finding things before other people do, but of course these mines are pretty big. I probably should have left with these diamonds just to secure them, as if I go down, I'm pretty sure they'll just vanish, so keep that in mind if you happen to get rid of a boss. Anyways, I'm pretty happy with what we've got. Let's find a way out of here. I won't teleport with the map just in case, for some reason, it happens to take away our stuff, so just find these signs and use them to navigate back. And it seems like we've found items from another player. That's pretty cool. Following the signs all the way out, we should be able to head back up and secure our things. Yeah, there you go. Sweet. Let's head back to the surface and check out The final task, outer walls. Here, we'll do a lot of defense. So the piglins are invading from the portals. We're going to stop them reaching the gate together. The more we take down, the bigger our reward, and that's pretty much that. Keep in mind you've also got a quest scroll here where you can see exactly what's going on currently. Number 1 is defend the village. So we need to mine 100 ores, of which we've done 60, deliver 5 carts, so that's 5 different checkpoints, and defend the outer walls from 5 waves. So let's do that now. That's only step 1 of 6, for which we only get a new quest every other day. So we can only do these today, and we'll need to return another day to get more. So let's grab everything here, find our way over the gate, and start defending. We can only defend from up high, you can't jump down, so use your bow for this. Just being here when a wave was being fought, even though I didn't do much, is more than enough to count as playing and finishing. Also, it won't only be you defending, there's a bunch of other players, and of course, golems as well. So we'll just hang around, wait for another wave, and do this a few more times. With latency, this definitely isn't easy. Yeah, and it seems like these fireballs are spat out once in a while to wherever the most players are sitting. So while they're not a huge issue, just be aware of them. And there's a little warning sign when you're about to get hit. Pretty cool. So there we go. There's another wave. Fantastic. Let's do it 3 more times. So there we go. There's another wave. 3 out of 5. There's wave 4. 1 more after this, and then we're done here. This one I seem to be getting pretty close because I think most of the people left. And that should be the last one. Fantastic. Yep, 5 out of 5. Let's finish these other 2. So deliver 3 more carts and 40 more ores. Let's start with the ores. You can see your count here. So there's 30. There's 40. So let's get out of here. Now that we're done with this, let's go ahead and finish in the wilderness, pushing the cart through 3 more checkpoints. Seems like we've started halfway, which is great, meaning that we can reach there a lot sooner. Switching servers and server hopping is probably going to be the meta for finishing this as fast as possible, but you won't earn as much XP, emeralds, and things like that. So yeah, 3 more deliveries. So there's 1 successful delivery. Let's do the next. Then here's number 2, just 1 more to go, and we should be done. And we should finally be done with this. So there we have it. And with that, we've finished this quest. We've unlocked Boots of Swiftness in the dressing room, and day 1 of the quests are complete. Now we just need to come back every other day, so not today, but rather the 27th, then the 29th, 31st, 2nd, and 4th, which will be the final day where we can actually get everything done. Oh, it does seem like you can actually see the quests for the next few days, so kill 20 ghasts, eliminate 200 enemies, deliver carts with at least 40% health, clear waves with at least 2 iron golems left at the wall, and finally collect 60 diamonds, which I assume we can do on level 2 or from getting rid of bosses, and complete 4 quests, for which I've finished 1 of them, so we'll need to finish at least 4 of these quests in total out of the 5 optional ones before we can complete this final one and earn the cape. So anyways, that's really it. Hopefully you found this video useful. Thank you for watching. My name's been Troubleshoot, and I'll see you all next time. Ciao.